Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you all how we can check battery health on Motorola E15 using Ampere app. Firstly, hop into Google Play Store, tap on search bar and search up Ampere. Now install the app. Once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app, consent, and OK. And as you can see, my battery health is good. Now I can also swipe to left or to right to display all of your informations in different themes. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.